In some good news, the landowners of the Pynursla bypass, which falls under Package 3 of the Shillong-Dowki Road project, have agreed to give their land for the vital road link. Deputy Chief Minister in charge of PWD roads, Priston Tinsong, said on Tuesday that the earlier survey of the stretch was kept on hold for some time, and later the government asked the landowners to cooperate, keeping in view the importance of the project. Later, the community and landowners agreed to give their land, and the final alignment of the Pynursla bypass has been forwarded to the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways and National Highway Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited for approval, Tinsong said. Reacting to a query on the frequent landslides near the Sonapur tunnel, he said that the Secretary Ministry of Road Transport and Highways and a team from the National Highways Authority of India would inspect the area before the onset of monsoon.
There were some problems where the alignment of the fencing sometimes goes beyond the land, agricultural land of the landowner or the clan land or maybe the community land, where sometimes the village administration, they oppose it and they keep requesting the government of India to kindly consider in such cases the fencing should go closer to the 0 point.
Regional Democratic Alliance candidate for Shillong